Hello, I am back with another nature journal entry. This one will be super colorful, and that means it will be super fun. I found these guys behind my apartment after I took a walk, and they got me very excited to identify them. I picked them, I dug them out of the ground, and I set them in my fridge to keep them fresh for a better ID. After 3 hours of reading up on material and looking at all sorts of different pictures, I have identified these mushrooms as Amanita Jacksonii. Amanita Jacksonii is a choice edible. That means they taste really good, but you have to be sure of your identification because these can be mixed up with some other toxic and even deadly mushrooms. Never take IDs from internet strangers or even websites. Make sure you're reading the right material, and field guides are super handy and very informative. Don't munch on a hunch. I really enjoyed layering all of these colors, and I especially enjoyed all of the blending to get the right tones and values. I am using gouache on toned tan paper, and I think this really makes the lighter values pop. When I feel like it, I enjoy adding a lot of detail in my nature journal. Here I am adding enlarged views of the cap and the gills of the mushroom. In between the lighter part of the gills, I'm adding a darker orangish color to show some depth. The gills here are pretty bold, pretty polarizing, and also none of it was the right color, so I am adding a lighter yellow to bring everything up to speed, and it took care of it nicely. Don't forget to add darker values to add depth to your image. Mushrooms grow up out of the ground, obviously, and sometimes there's dirt left on the caps of the mushrooms, as you see here. Just adding in the ground here along with some shadows. And now here is where I write down all of the information I know about these mushrooms. I copied a lot of this text off of a website that nicely summed up identification tips. In addition, I have added a few notes that were specific to my situation. And we're done! Here's the inspiration photos I used to paint this. I hope that you go out into your backyard and paint some mushrooms of your own.